There are some risks to that. I focused on that for a reason because I think the things that will go wrong are often the things that we are really excited about. How do companies prepare for a downturn in different industries? How should it affect my planning? Genuinely, this is a very hard question to answer without knowing the specifics of the company or the specifics of how the recession is working, right? I mean, Ryan, what's your thought off the top?
I always like to boil it down to asking, like, what are the drivers of your business? Like, what are the key, like, if you look at your key performance metrics and key performance indicators that measure success, like when you say we had an amazing quarter, what are the 3 or 4 metrics you would look at to describe why the quarter was amazing? And then build out some stressors to those key drivers. It might be page clicks. It might be loan applications. It might be qualified leads that are coming in. It might be your conversion rate. And you stress like a number of those variables, and you can like stack stress them to get some sort of a scenario and an output. What those variables are just going to vary wildly by industry, business model, customer profile, et cetera. So I to Ara's point, like I agree with you, Ara. There's really not like a formula. I think it's like you need to take a
framework. The framework is what matters, right? It's like the same way I sort of structured this presentation was think about all the things that are going well and think about all the ways they can go wrong. And then think about which ones feel more or less likely to break first. And then if that were to happen and you were to sort of like rank order all of the things that you're assuming will go well, if those don't work out, do you have a plan to deal with them? And so that's what we're talking about with AI, right? Like AI and tech just being a great bright spot. Like, is that going to remain a bright spot? There are some risks to that. I focused on that for a reason because I think the things that will go wrong are often the things that we are really excited about because we're hinging on those working out so well that oftentimes things won't. This is a great question. Do you think it will become any more clear with time whether a downturn is coming or will it continue to be unpredictable? Well, let's think about the headwinds. I think the administration has clearly signaled that tariff policy is changing very quickly, very rapidly, and it's not going to affect every industry the same way. And so from what we're seeing,